Hello everyone. Today we are going to transform Google Sheets into a powerful, lightweight CRM using n8n. While many businesses pay for expensive software, you can actually manage, update, and search for leads automatically using these two tools. We will cover everything from setting up secure credentials to building a fully automated lead pipeline. Let's dive in. First, the foundation of any professional automation is a secure connection. In n8n, navigate to your credentials and select Google Sheets Auto. This step is vital because it grants n8n the official permission to read and write to your specific spreadsheets without compromising your password. Once your status shows connected in green, your database is ready to go. With our connection established, let's look at retrieving information. By using the read operation get rows, n8n can pull data from any specific sheet. For workflow, filtering is essential. You can configure the node to only fetch rows where the status is new, allowing your automation to focus only on the leads that require immediate action. Next, we have the append operation, which is essential for lead generation. When a new prospect is captured, this node adds a fresh row to your sheet automatically, like this. But a CRM must also evolve. This is where the update operation comes in. By searching for a specific email, we can automatically change a lead status from new to contacted, like here in our example. Keeping this in your sales pipeline accurate in real time. Now for our example, building a functional lead pipeline, we have a Google Sheet with columns, name, email, source, status, and date. Our workflow here starts with a webhook. As the data arrives, the Google Sheet nodes append the lead and sets the status to new with the set node, and automatically adds the current timestamp. After triggering this 5 times, you can see all 5 leads perfectly logged. You've just built a fully automated entry system for your business. And that's conclude our guide on using Google Sheets as a CRM. We have covered reading, appending, and updating data to build a robust system. Thank you for watching.